It's like a lunch box. It's an insurance to your stomach that when you have a scarf tin, you won't starve.
We have porridge, mabele porridge. We have brown sugar. And our best seller, black beans.
Most of us, there's no jobs, and most of the time you don't afford to buy grocery, food grocery. So with them, you are able to buy most of the things that you need, like especially in a week time, that will be enough for you.
We knew kind of that food was important and that we had an interest in it, and we wanted to see how could a different way of access to food look like. And we looked into concepts of zero waste. We got a group of 12 young people together, and this is where the journey then really started.
I work so much with scarf tin because we started feeding the community when COVID started. We decided to say, since there is COVID, people are locked down, they cannot have access as they used to be to come to the farm. So we have to introduce a bus which will deliver the food to the people at their doorsteps.
So it teaches people to live less and sustainable also, and buy what they can and afford at that time. And also whatever that they can buy, it can also last. Because this thing, it will last me. It will last me for months. You see. But the price that I had to pay for this thing is so less.